Yeah, but I don't want to go Michael's. I just want to go and see IKEA different from Canadian IKEA.
It's different because this one is
In US.
you pay with US currency.
They have aquarium adventure also. The Petland. Aldi is a superstore. But we don't want to buy anything from Aldi. So we were at the Costco, which is across the flyover over there. Now we are at IKEA. Since we have plenty of time, we just want to stroll around the IKEA. No, I mean it's so empty. It's not crowded like in Toronto. In Toronto, IKEA is like very crowded. Yeah, even on weekdays, it's very difficult to find a parking. Yeah. Let's see what we gonna get from here. Allison's dress matches the IKEA's background. No, it's very empty. It's not that crowded. Yeah, let's go. Come. Similar layout as we have. This is more spacious, I find. Or maybe today is being weekdays, it's not that crowded. Oh yeah, the line. Follow the line.
I need that from a please.
Huh? We already bought for you. How many things you want from IKEA?
Can I have one?
Oh, you want what? Toilet seat?
No. How much are these markers? $3.99.
Where's marker? I'm thinking, what is this? Oh, what is this? Oh, this is a table lamp, which is not working. Oh, that one. $3.99. But these are gel pack. What are you gonna do?
5.
You have so many.
She doesn't have marker.
It's okay. You can give your marker to her.
Oh, over here. No.
Same. Hey, $2.99.
Can I have one?
But US $2.99. The plants we cannot take. It's so spacious. Maybe it's weekdays, that's why it's so spacious. Yeah. Oh, I see. They keep the chess pieces in a jar.
Oh no, we need that.
And Scrabble pieces. Oh, then I can do that like that because I have at home.
Is this? Yeah, this is closed.
Chicago Bear checkers.
There's just
Huh?
in my house. Can we go to the room?
Fig plant is so famous that I see everywhere. Right now I saw that in Costco. I see the fake one in IKEA. So if you have really big space, you want to know what to do with that space, you can have this fiddle fig tree. You can have that in corner. But mind you, they need a light.
I want this. I'm working. Mama, can I have it?
You want to eat it? You want mommy to cook for you? This one. IKEA marketplace. 49 is for the whole set. 18 pieces. Bamboo, bamboo, bamboo.
We need to buy something.
We have a glass bowl here. No. Serving bowl. Alyssa, slowly. Oh, this heavy, heavy, heavy. Serving tray.
You have to break and stand smoothly.
Same. Yeah, mostly same, similar stuff.
You guys are.
Is this for plants?
It's a watering can. You open this up and then it's closed.
Expensive.
Yeah. Like we go out for picnic and then we use this. Sula. Here, Chang glasses, come on. Yeah, there are many glasses there. After the Costco tour and the IKEA, we are heading back to the hotel to get some rest. For 3 days we have been walking like crazy. My legs are starting to pain right now.
Continue for 1.5
Chris needs
miles.
some rest for tomorrow before we actually hit on the road and drive all the way back to Toronto. So today is basically a resting day. In the evening we'll go for some Chinese buffet and that's it. We're just gonna end our day today. So now when we are reaching the hotel, we're just gonna take the coffee from there, the breakfast area, because they do allow complimentary coffee served day and night. That's one good thing what I like. Also what I like about the Best Western in Chicagoland is the breakfast. Most of Best Western Plus hotels do come with breakfast and free parking. That's what we need to search before we actually book a hotel. Else early morning, if there's no breakfast, we have to search for a breakfast. That's another tedious round to think where to get the breakfast from, where to go, getting up in the morning. So today is the last day we'll be staying in Chicago. Yes,
I don't want to go.
we have to. All good things come to an end, baby. All good things. Huh? Saturday? Saturday rest time. Sunday is rest time. Monday you guys back at school.
No.
Vacation is done.